no, po na medyo nag-ano po sila, may pause, merong silence. Basta wag lang po sila makakatulog ha, habang kausap po. Ayan. Sige po, next po tayo. Ayan, questioning. So, questioning po is a key counseling skill used to gather information, to explore concerns, and to deepen understanding of the client's situation. So, dito rin po, no, tumutulong po to keep the conversation focused and meaningful. So, kailan po siya ginagamit? All throughout din po, no, all throughout the entire counseling interview, especially po during the early stages para daw po magkaroon ng rapport yung ating client and counselor. So we have different types po.